Hello YouTubers, thank you for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you my highest earning CPM rates. So these are ad rates per 1,000 views. So this column right here shows the CPM playback rates. The average I get is about $28 per 1,000 views. And my channel How to Webmaster is about internet marketing tutorials, so relatively it is pretty high paying compared to other types of viral videos like cat videos, prank videos, and funny videos. So let's look at some of the CPM ad rates. So I think this so far is the highest I've seen, $96 per 1,000 views. And this is for Warrior Plus affiliate network marketing video. Then I got a few $77, $88, and again this has to do with Warrior Plus. Same thing, affiliate marketing, $77 here for a review for another affiliate marketing product. Okay, another one. This is probably the highest right now. Domain flipping strategies. So this video doesn't have a whole lot of volume. It's only made $12.41, but check out that CPM ad rate. That's the highest right now I've seen. So in the end, still more views will get you more earnings. So anyhow, I hope this gives you some ideas about CPM ad rates, at least for internet marketing tutorials channels. Thanks for viewing. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, tutorials on YouTube and internet marketing. And until next time, happy YouTubing.